The green pea can's history began with ancient cultivation and preservation methods, evolving significantly in the 19th century with the invention of canning. Peter Duran's tin-coated iron cans enabled mass production, making canned peas widely accessible. Our story begins in the expansive pea fields, where the harvest is a symphony of efficiency. The pea viner, a marvel of agricultural technology, it swiftly navigates the fields, gently separating plump green peas from their vines. Once harvested, the peas are swiftly loaded onto trucks, beginning their journey into the processing facility. Once the peas arrive at our facility, the quality control team carefully examines each pea to identify any imperfections that might affect the overall quality of our product. Then, each batch undergoes a meticulous inspection using a tenderometer, an instrument that measures the tenderness of the peas. It ensures that only the freshest and most tender peas proceed to the next stage of production. Once the peas pass the tenderometer test, they move on to the washing and sorting stage. Advanced machinery and skilled workers collaborate to cleanse the peas thoroughly, removing any residual impurities. This step is essential to maintain the peas' freshness and purity. Next, the peas enter the blanching chamber, where they take a quick dip in hot water. This not only preserves their vibrant green color, but also deactivates enzymes that could affect their taste and texture. The blanching process is a crucial step in preparing the peas for the subsequent stages. With the peas prepared, it's time for the magic of the cans. Each can is meticulously filled with the perfect portion of seasoned peas, ensuring consistency and quality. Quality control is paramount. Every can undergoes rigorous inspection, from its integrity to the tenderness of the peas inside. Trained eyes guarantee that only the finest canned green peas make their way to your kitchen. The cans are then sealed, capturing the freshness and flavor within, ready to be a pantry staple. One of the most important and unique benefits that sets green peas apart from other vegetables is their significant protein content. Unlike many other vegetables, green peas are relatively high in plant-based protein. The convenience of canned peas gained prominence during World War II, solidifying their place as a household staple. Advances in processing and packaging have sustained their popularity, offering a convenient and enduring vegetable option for consumers. The next time you open a can of green peas, savor the journey each pea has taken, from tenderometer checks to sealing freshness, adding a burst of quality and flavor to your meals. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.